and arms are 2 hours. Awesome job.
You really have to love this work. Kids are honest people, especially 3 and 4-year-olds, and they know when you're faking it.
When I come to work every day, whether I'm having a good day or a bad day, I have 19 little faces looking up at me and they're like, hey, Mr. Joseph, guess what happened to me yesterday at home? When I hear that and I see those friends so willing to want to share with me, it just makes me excited.
You have to truly care about them for them to truly care about you.
You want a hug also?
I need a hug.
My name is Joseph Braswell. I'm a pre-K mixed teacher, which means I teach 3 and 4-year-olds. I love the 3 and 4-year-olds because they're unpredictable, but in the best way possible.
I'm Callie Weller, and I'm a preschool teacher that teaches multi-age grouping of 3 and 4-year-olds. And I love my job. I grew up here in the state of Vermont, the Northeast Kingdom, on a dairy farm. My dad was a dairy farmer. My mom was a stay-at-home mom, and he made no money, but he loved his job, and he was a happy person, and he really instilled that.
A lot of who I am as a teacher definitely dives into a lot of my upbringings as a child. I am a Panamanian American. Being Afro-Latino is very interesting. Like seeing my parents speak Spanish, to me that was a superpower, you know, because I never understood, how do we know Spanish? So when I think about my students, those are things that I want them to experience. I want them to experience their culture in a classroom setting. I want them to experience what it feels like to share with somebody, or even what it feels like to be upset. Having the tools in order to not only say those things, but having those tools to deal with those situations.
When I graduated, I think the knowledge that I had was the basic knowledge that everybody comes out with. Child development, right, that you read out of a book. But my first classroom was definitely not natural. I think it takes experience and time, but it also takes good role models. So let's solve that problem. What do we say to our friends? Can I please have a...
Can we please have a turn? When I'm done.
How does 3 minutes sound?
What about we do 2 more minutes?
2 minutes sounds fun.
I went to public schools my whole life. I went to school in Brooklyn, New York, and back then, a lot of my friends and students in my class looked like me, but a lot of my teachers didn't look like me. If you could show me some patience for a few minutes, buddy, we can do that for you, okay? Do you think you could do that for me? Though my teachers tried their best, I feel like there was a lot of things that I didn't learn or could have used, like being social emotional and, you know, knowing what to do with your feelings. And when I had the opportunity to become a teacher, what type of teacher that I wanted to be. Because I love that patience. Come on. Okay.
Can I do it?
Make sure you're holding on to me, okay? There you go, buddy.
Next time you sing.
I already sang it with you once, so we can sing it again.
No, it's just the ending of the song.
It's just the ending of the song. I do have the privilege of doing what I love. 3 and 4-year-olds are where it's at. Because they're amazing. They're excited every day to learn something new and to have fun, and I just love their energy.
Statues. I like teaching 3 and 4-year-olds because that is the foundation to which children start school. It's awesome to see children go from not having any type of social-emotional skills and seeing them at the end of the year being able to show that they can empathize with a friend. I'm making a difference every day by showing up. I'm making a difference every day by telling my kids that I do care about them. I'm making a difference by teaching them about empathy. They may not learn it in one day, but me showing up every day is ensuring that they are going to learn it eventually.